Hola, ¿cómo están? Esta es la semana número 14. Wow, número 14. That is amazing. I know I have been a student and I understand that we got many things, many classes, we got family, we got a life, we got work, we got friends, we got so many things because that's life, right? And it's hard to try to make sure that we also keep on top of everything at school. That's what I try to make as easy as I can for you and digest it the best of my ability so you understand. So this week we're going to study the verb saber and conocer. Both of these verbs means to know. But we have different meanings. Like for example, I know somebody, then I will say yo conozco. But when you say in English, I know how to swim, we say yo sé nadar. So when we're talking about a fact and knowledge, we're always going to use saber. When we use conocer is when we're talking about being acquainted with somebody. Okay? For example, many students say sometimes, Lucy, yo conozco a Jennifer Lopez. And I say, really? As you say, hi Jennifer, how you doing? You have seen her face, she has talked to you. No, I have seen her on TV. Okay, then what you say is, yo sé, I know who is Jennifer Lopez. That's different, okay? So we change the word according if you're talking about being acquaintance or if you're talking about knowing someone or knowing a fact. Okay, we're going to study that. We're going to study vocabulary regarding clothing and colors. We're going to study also the indirect object pronoun. This is different. This is respond to whom. Whom receive the action, right? Like, for example, you say, I talk to Joseph. I talk to him. I talk to her. I buy a book for my daughter. I buy a book for her. She's the one who's going to receive is going to receive the book. So that is what we call the indirect. It's who receive the action. Remember, the direct is the what. Okay? I like your pants. I like what? Your pants. I like them. Right? Muy bien. What else we're going to tell you? And we're going to study colors, clothing. Please make sure you do all those activities and Quizlets, right? Make sure that you use the language to your benefit. That is not something outside. Practice. When you get up in the morning, wake up and describe what you're wearing. What colors are your pants? That's how kids learn. You see, when the kids are young, they say, hey, let's gonna put you the red jacket. That's how the kids associate, oh, jacket is this and red is this color, and then they start doing it. So you have to do it every day, otherwise it become an isolated thing and you really don't find the purpose of it, okay? Learning a second language, being able to speak another language is an amazing feeling. It's amazing when I can express myself in English and when I can express myself in Spanish, when I can really sing in one or another language. It's just great. I just think that it's a gift that all of you can have. Okay, you can give that gift to yourself. This is not just a class that you're never gonna see again. This is a class that we are going to be able to use it, to hear with other people around, because we don't live in a society that all of us are the same and all of us speak the same language and all of us look alike, right? So this is, you know, the internet, the web page, all of this has making sure that now the world becoming close to us. Before it was very hard. Now you don't have to travel to see what people do. And many times you go to some place and you're gonna hear speaking somebody, other people speaking other languages. So you are not surprised because you understand a little bit, or you know, oh, I recognize that is a different set of words, okay? So please take care, you can do this, my friends. We just have a few weeks left, so nos vemos.